Hi, sweetheart. Take a slow breath in and close your eyes as you exhale. Before the day asks anything of you, darling, before your mind begins listing what must be done, this is your invitation to pause for now. This moment is for arriving. Let your attention turn inward. Let these words become the first calm place you land today. I allow myself to begin this day slowly. I allow my body to wake in its own time. I allow my breath to guide me into presence. I pause the part of my mind that wants to rush ahead. I pause the urge to plan, fix, and accomplish. I give myself permission to be here first. I remind myself that I don't need to earn this moment. I remind myself that stillness is allowed. I remind myself that calm is productive in its own way. I settle into my breath. I settle into my body. I settle into the quiet calm. I choose to meet this morning gently. I choose to soften my shoulders. I choose to release tension I didn't realize I was holding. I let go of any desire to rush. I let go of the pressure to get ahead of the day. I let go of the belief that I must hurry to be okay. I trust that the day will unfold at its time. I trust that clarity comes more easily when I am calm. I trust that presence prepares me better than urgency. I give myself this time to look inward. I give myself space to feel without analyzing. I give myself permission to simply notice. I notice the rhythm of my breathing. I notice the weight of my body where it rests. I notice that in this moment, I am safe. I remind myself that I am not behind. I remind myself that there is no rush right now. I remind myself that today begins with awareness. I allow my thoughts to slow. I allow gaps between thoughts to appear. I allow silence to be supportive spaces rather than empty ones. I choose to start from steadiness, not from strain. I choose to begin from grounding, not from pressure. I choose calm as the foundation of this day. I don't need to decide everything yet. I don't need to know how the day will go. I don't need to control the day before it even happens. I trust myself to respond when the time comes. I trust my ability to focus later. I trust that action will arise naturally from a place of gentleness. I let this moment be about listening word. I let it be about checking in with myself. I let it be about alignment before movement. I breathe in ease. I breathe out urgency. I breathe at a pace that feels kind to me. I remind myself that being comes first, before doing. I remind myself that effort flows better from calm. I remind myself that my calm presence sharpens my intentions. I allow today to start cleanly. I allow yesterday to stay where it belongs. I allow this morning to be new. I choose to anchor myself before engaging with the world. I choose to arrive fully before giving my energy away. I choose to tend to my inner self first. I notice how calm settles when I stop chasing thoughts. I notice how my body responds to gentleness. I notice how steady I can feel without trying. I trust that as I start moving with my day, I will move with clarity. I trust that decisions feel simpler when I am grounded. I trust that calm improves everything it touches. I give myself permission to enjoy this quiet. I give myself permission to linger here. I give myself permission to take up space internally. I let my awareness soften around me. I let my jaw relax. I let my breath deepen naturally. I remind myself that I can pause again later. I remind myself that I can breathe anytime. I remind myself that calm is always available for me. Take a gentle inhale and start to wiggle your toes and softly come back to your body. As your day begins, sweetheart, remember this feeling of steadiness. You can return to these words whenever the mind starts to race. This will always be here for you.